This is a wet pendulum tester. This testing was done by Alex Benini in August 2023, where we're testing GripFactory Australia UltraGrip to increase the slip resistance of the tiles.
So this is the untreated tile wet pendulum test. So this is the untreated tile,
which has come up at P1.
Which has come up at P1. This is the untreated tiles getting treated. So, getting treated by Mark. Puts the UltraGrip on, leaves on for 30 to 45 minutes. We just washed down the tiles now after they've been treated with water. Now we do the calibration on the device. And this is the treated tile.
Oh, big difference. 41. That is a 45. Oh, well, you've literally doubled your BPM numbers from untreated to treated.
So the final results turned a untreated tile, which was P1 with a rating of 21, to a P3, almost P4 tile with a score of 42, without changing the look or feel of the tile, which is a great result. UltraGrip can be used in a number of situations, in common areas, in the public domain, and of course commercial kitchens, aged care facilities, and lots of different applications across industry and at home. More information, please contact GripFactory Australia.